Hi, my dear students. We are going to the chapter wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. Topic is transformations. Another question that is sine pi by 18, sine 5 pi by 18, sine 7 pi by 18 is equal to the first option 8, second option 1 by 8, and third option 1 by 7, fourth option 6. Okay. Now, we have to solve this question. Solution for this: take the expression that is sine pi by 18, sine 5 pi by 18, sine 7 pi by 18, right? Now, so actually pi is nothing but 180 degrees. 180 by 18 is 10. So that's why it is sine 10 degrees, sine 5 into 10, 50 degrees, sine 7 into 10, 70 degrees. That's all. Now from this can be right sine 10 degrees, sine 60 minus 10 degrees, 50 is, and 70 is 60 plus 10 degrees. That's all. Now this is in the form of sine theta, sine 60 minus theta, sine 60 plus theta. That is 1 by 4 sine 3 theta, where theta is 10 degrees. That's why here it is 1 by 4 sine 30 degrees. So here 1 by 4 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. That's why answer is 1 by 8. That is in second option. Since here formula, what is the formula? We know that sine theta, sine 60 minus theta, sine 60 plus theta. Sine 60 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. That's all. So according to this form, your sine 10, sine 50, sine 70 is nothing but 1 by 4 sine 3 into 10. That is 1 by 4 sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. That's why 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. That is in second option. Now the next question. The value of 3 plus cot 76 degrees, cot 16 degrees whole by cot 76 degrees plus cot 16 degrees is equal to the first option tan 44 degrees, second option cot 46 degrees, third option tan 42 degrees, and fourth option tan 46 degrees. That's all. Now we have to solve this question. Actually this is the memory based question, depends upon the formula. Now solution for this question: 3 plus cot 76 degrees into cot 16 degrees whole by, here it is cot 76 degrees plus cot 16 degrees. So from this expression we have to write in terms of sine and cos. In terms of sine and cos, this can be right 3 plus, here it is cos 76 cos 16 by sine 76 into sine 16 whole by, here it is cos 76 by sine 76 plus cos 16 degrees by sine 16 degrees. That's why cot theta is nothing but cos by sine, according to that formula. Now we have to take LCM, that is 3 times of sine 76 degrees sine 16 degrees plus cos 76 degrees cos 16 degrees whole by, since both the denominator gets cancelled after taking LCM, then here it is sine 16 degrees cos 76 degrees plus cos 16 degrees sine 76 degrees. Since after taking LCM in both the numerator and denominator, then denominator gets cancelled. So in both the numerator and denominator. Now here this can be right 2 times of sine 76 plus sine 76 into sine 16 plus sine 76 sine 16 plus cos 76 degrees into cos 16 whole by whole by denominator this is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, that is sin of A plus B, that is 16 plus 76 degrees. Now this is 2 sin 76 degrees sin 16 plus. From these two we have to observe from these two, it is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A minus B, that is cos of 76 minus 16 whole by denominator is sin 92 degrees, sin 92 degrees. Since here it is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, cos of A minus B this part, this is 2 sin 76 sin 16, by here it is 16 plus 76, that is sin 92. That's all. Now we are going to the next step. Now that is, here it is 2 sin 76 sin 16 plus cos 60, since cos 76 minus 16 cos 60, and denominator that is sin 92. Now this is in the form of 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A minus B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, cos A plus B. So this is cos 60 degrees whole by sin 92 degrees. Since here formula 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So according to this form, here 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin 76 sin 16 is nothing but this one. Now this can be right. Cos 76 minus 16 is cos 60 minus, here it is cos 92. Since 76 plus 16 is 92. Next, here it is cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole by denominator that is sin 92 degrees. That's all. Now from this cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Since here it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos 92 degrees whole by sin 92 degrees. That's all. Now from this step 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 minus cos 92 degrees by sin 92 degrees. That's all. Now we have to use formula here. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. According to these two forms, here it is 2 sin square theta by 2, 92 by 2 is 46, and here it is 2 sin 46 degrees cos 46 degrees. Since here 92 by 2, so 2 gets cancelled, 1 sin gets cancelled. Now sin 46 by cos 46 is tan 46 degrees. Sin 46 by cos 46 is tan 46 degrees, that is in fourth option. That's all. Okay. Okay, another question. The value of sigma r is equal to 1 to 10 cos cube r pi by 3 is first option minus 1 by 8, second option minus 7 by 8, third option minus 9 by 8, and fourth option 1 by 8. So that is sigma r is equal to 1 to 10 cos cube r pi by 3. So sigma means sigma represents the sum of the consecutive terms. So up to 10 terms, r is equal to 1 to 10. So cos cube pi by 3 plus cos cube 2 pi by 3 plus cos cube 3 pi by 3 plus cos cube 4 pi by 3 plus so on. Cos cube of 5 pi by 3, cos cube of 6 pi by 3, cos cube 7 pi by 3, cos cube 8 pi by 3, cos cube 9 pi by 3 plus cos cube 10 pi by 3. That's why sum of the consecutive 10 terms, it represents the sigma notation. Sigma r is equal to 1 to 10. So corresponding r values we get here, it is sum of 10 terms. Now we know that one formula, that is If alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degrees, then cos alpha plus cos beta 0. If alpha plus beta is equal to that means pi or 2 pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, 9 pi, that means odd multiples of pi. If alpha plus beta, sum of the angles is equal to odd multiples of pi, then cos alpha plus cos beta 0, cos cube alpha plus cos cube beta 0, and cos power 5 alpha plus cos power 5 alpha plus cos power 5 beta 0, cos power 7 alpha plus cos power 7 beta 0, like that. That's why here it is, if alpha plus beta is odd multiples of pi, then cos cube alpha plus cos cube beta 0. That's why here observe pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, sum of them. If alpha is pi by 3, beta is 2 pi by 3, then sum of them. Pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3 is pi. And 4 pi by 3 plus 5 pi by 3 is 3 pi, since that is 9 pi by 3. So pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3 is pi. 4 pi by 3 plus 5 pi by 3 is 3 pi. 6 pi by 3 plus 9 pi by 3 is 5 pi. 7 pi by 3 plus 8 pi by 3 is 5 pi. Since it is pi, 15 pi by 3, it is also 15 pi by 3. That's why pi. So it is pi, 2 pi, pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. So sum of angles is odd multiples of pi. Then cos cube alpha plus cos cube beta 0. According to that, cos cube pi by 3 plus cos cube 2 pi by 3 0. And cos cube 4 pi by 3 plus cos cube 5 pi by 3 0. Cos cube 6 pi by 3 plus cos cube 9 pi by 3 0. That's all. Cos cube 7 pi by 3 plus cos cube 8 pi by 3 0. That's why 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. And remaining, what are remaining? 3 pi by 3 and 10 pi by 3. That's why cos cube 3 pi by 3 plus cos cube 10 pi by 3. Cos cube 3 pi by 3. Here 3 gets cancelled. Cos cube pi plus cos cube 10 pi by 3. This can be written pi plus 3 pi plus pi by 3. So 3 pi plus theta is nothing but cos 3 pi plus theta is minus cos theta. That's why minus cos cube pi by 3. Minus cos cube pi by 3. That's why it is. That's why this is cos cube pi plus cos cube 3 pi plus pi. So minus 1, cos pi is minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Here it is minus cos cube pi by 3. Cos cube pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60 1 by 2 whole cube. That's why minus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Minus 1 minus 1 by 8. That is minus 9 by 8. That is in third option. That's all. This is the solution for this question. Now we are going to the next question. Another question, that is, if theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, so on, theta n are in AP, then sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 plus so on, sin theta n whole by cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 plus so on plus cos theta n is equal to the first option 0, second option tan theta 1 plus theta n, third option tan of theta 1 plus theta n by 2, and fourth option tan of theta 1 minus theta 2 whole by 2. So we know that one formula, that is, if a1, a2, a3, so on, an are in AP with a common difference small d, then sin a1 plus sin a2 plus sin so on plus sin an is equal to sin of a1 plus an by 2 into sin nd by 2 whole by sin d by 2. Same in terms of cos a1 plus cos a2 plus so on plus cos an is equal to cos of a1 plus an by 2 sin of nd by 2 into sin by sin d by 2. That's why according to these two forms we have to apply in this expression. So instead of numerator we have to write, since from the given expression where theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta n comparing with a1, a2, a3, so on, an, like that. That's why in place of these two forms you have to write in place of a1 theta 1, in place of a2 theta 2. That's why theta 1 plus theta n by 2. Now from this, so according to these two forms, so these gets cancelled and this one gets cancelled. Now sin by cos is tan. That's why tan of theta 1 plus theta n whole by 2. Theta 1 plus theta n whole by 2. Now tan of theta 1 plus theta n whole by 2. That is in third option. That's all. Now this is the solution for this question. Now we are going to the next question. Now the question is, if cos x by a is equal to cos x plus theta by b is equal to cos x plus 2 theta by c is equal to cos x plus 3 theta by d, then a plus c by b plus d is equal to The first option A by D, and second option C by D, and third option B by C, and fourth option D by A. Now we have to take the given expression, that is cos x by A is equal to cos x plus theta by B is equal to cos x plus 2 theta by C is equal to cos x plus 3 theta by D. Suppose we have to take, instead of x 0, put in place of x 0, then cos 0 is 1 by A, here it is cos theta by B, here it is cos 2 theta by C, here it is cos 3 theta by D. That's all. So we have to take, here it is homogeneous, A plus C by B plus D, that's why instead of A taken as 1 and instead of B taken as cos theta, instead of C taken as cos 2 theta, D taken as cos 3 theta, then A plus C by B plus D, that is the required result, A plus C by B plus D. So A is 1, B is C is cos 2 theta, by B is cos theta, D is cos 3 theta. Now 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta formula. Here it is cos C plus cos D formula. What is cos C plus cos D actually? Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So this is the formula for denominator, and we know that 1 plus cos 2C, 1 plus cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha. That's why this is the formula for numerator. That's why in numerator 1 plus cos 2 theta, according to this formula, this is 2 cos square theta. According to this one, 2 cos C plus D by 2, theta plus 3 theta by 2, that is 4 theta by 2 is 2 theta. And theta minus 3 theta by 2, that is minus 2 theta by 2 minus theta. Cos minus theta is positive. That's why here 2 gets cancelled, and 1 cos theta gets cancelled. Now 1 cos theta by cos 2 theta is there. Now cos theta is B and cos 2 theta is C. That's why B by C is the answer, that is in third option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now the question, that is, let f of n is equal to 2 cos nx for all n belongs to capital N. Then f of 1 into f of n plus 1 minus f of n is equal to, the first option f of n plus 3, second option f of n plus 2, third option f of n plus 1 into f of 2, and fourth option f of n plus 2 into f of 2. So given f of n is equal to 2 cos nx, now required f of 1 into f of n plus 1 minus f of n. So f of 1, that is 2 cos x, in place of n we have to write 1, that's why 2 cos x. Again n plus 1, f of n plus 1, in place of n we have to write n plus 1, that's why 2 cos n plus 1x, minus f of n, directly 2 cos nx. From this expression we have to take common 2, then 2 cos n plus 1x into cos x minus cos nx. So this can be write in the form of, so 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Here take common x, that's why n plus 1 plus 1 plus n plus 1 minus 1x. Then that means it is A plus B cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Here this is. Now we are at n plus 1 plus 1, n plus 2x. Here 1 gets cancelled, cos nx. So cos nx gets cancelled. Then it is 2 cos n plus 2x. Here it is 1 gets cancelled. 1 gets cancelled. Now cos nx gets cancelled. That's why 2 cos n plus 2x. That's why in place of n we have to write n plus 2, then f of n plus 2. That's why this is the result of f of n plus 2, that is in second option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now the next question, that is, if x by y is equal to cos A by cos B, then x tan A plus y tan B by x plus y is equal to the first option tan A plus B by 2, second option tan A minus B by 2, third option cot A plus B by 2, and fourth option cot A minus B by 2. That's all. So given two conditions are there. From these two conditions, that means this is a given condition. From this condition we have to find the expression, find the value of this expression. Then take the condition x by y is equal to cos A by cos B. From this x is equal to y cos A by cos B. Now take that expression, that is x tan A plus y tan B x tan a plus y tan b by x plus y. In place of x we have to write this one, y cos a by cos b in place of x, and tan is nothing but sin a by cos a, and y into tan b is sin b by cos b. Okay, by x plus y. In place of x we have to write y cos a by cos b plus y here. Now take LCM in numerator. Here cos a gets cancelled. Now take common y. So y is common. Then it is sin a plus sin b. Then it is sin a plus sin b by cos b. In denominator also take LCM cos b. Then it is y into, take y common, and cos a plus cos b by cos b. Here y gets cancelled. Then cos b gets cancelled. Sin a plus sin b by cos a plus cos b. So according to transformation, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Now cos a minus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 gets cancelled. Now sin by cos is tan. That's why it is tan a plus b by 2. So that is in first option. That's why answer is tan of a plus b by 2. That is in first option. Now we are going to next question. Now we are going to the practice questions. So first one, value of 3 plus cot 80 into cot 20 by cot 80 into cot 20. So the first question, 3 plus cot 80 into cot 20 by cot 80 plus cot 20 is, so answer is tan 50. Already the similar question completed. Now which of the following, second question, which of the following is not the value of sin 27 minus cos 27? So we have to identify the odd option. Now next, third question, find sin n plus 1a plus 2 sin a, 2 sin na plus sin n minus 1a by cos n minus 1a minus cos n plus 1a. Answer is cot a by 2. That means we have to write these two taken as sin a plus b plus sin a minus b form. Here cos a minus b minus cos a plus b form. Take common sin na, and remaining we get, that means both the denominator and numerator sin na gets cancelled, remaining we get cot a by 2. Next, this is find cos pi by 18, cos pi by 18, cos 7 pi by 18. Pi by 18 is 10. That's why cos 10, cos 50, cos 70. That can be right cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta. Then the formula is cos 60, cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta is 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Like that we get root 3 by 8. And this question, so x, y, z are given there. X, y, y, z, z, x. So 2 cos a cos b formula you can apply, right? Bye.